Good morning, children. Once again, welcome to the video classes. I am the faculty. I am Mallikarjuna Swami, faculty, Maths faculty of Little Scholars High School. So once again, welcome to the video classes. So today we discuss some problems on the sets, particularly first topic problems on roster form and set builder form. So let us discuss first of all problems on the roster form. So the first problem is given that b is equal to, it is read as b, this is already in the set builder form. We have to convert it to the roster form. So here the given problem is in the set builder form and we have to convert in the roster form. That is only mentioned here. Write the following in roster form. Given problem, b is equal to, this set is represented with what? b. b is equal to, it is read as x such that, this colon is read as x such that, sometimes oblique or slash also, or colon most of the times. b is equal to x such that means x is defined as, x is a natural number smaller than 6. We know that natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. There are counting numbers are called natural numbers here. So x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So now this set is written with the same capital letter B and we have to write the numbers in the roster form. We have to separate with the commas. So natural numbers means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But it is given that x is defined as x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So natural number starts with what? 1, comma. In roster form we have to separate the elements with the commas. Elements means the numbers are alphabets or letters which are written in the enclosed brackets. So natural number smaller than 6. 1, comma, 2, comma, because natural number starts with 1, 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. So here smaller than 6. If it is equal to 6 means up to 6 we have to write. Now smaller than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the natural numbers which are less than 6. So I will repeat again. B is equal to, given question, b is equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. Natural number starts with 1. What are counting numbers are called natural numbers. So b, same letter we have to represent. b is equal to 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. In roster form, the elements or letters or alphabets are separated with commas, which is called as roster form. So 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. So we have to close the bracket because natural number smaller than 6. This is the answer. And the second problem here, and the second problem here. So c is equal to, this is one more question. C is equal to x such that is x is defined as, x is a 2-digit number. X is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is what? 8. Sum of its digits is what? 8. 2-digit numbers we know that starts with what? 10, 11, 12 and so on and ends with what? 99. These are the 2-digit natural numbers. But it is given that x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is what? 8. Sum of its digit is what? 8. But here if you consider 10 is the first 2-digit number and 99 is the last 2-digit number. 10 is the first 2-digit number. If you add its sum of these digits, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3 and so on. So next, but here they ask you to take the number such that the sum of its digit is what? 8. So we will take the same letter represented with what? C, the same set. So now we are converting this set builder form in the roster form. So 2-digit number 10, 11, 12 and so on. If we continue that, if I take the first number 2-digit number 17 because 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Sum of the 2 digits of the digits of 2-digit number should be equal to 8. So 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So before that we won't get here. First 2-digit number, sum of the digits is equal to 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. And next one 26. We are increasing 1 to 2 and here reducing 7 to 6. So 17, 1 plus 7, 8. 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. And again increasing 3 and here reducing 5. That is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And again increasing here 44. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And again reverse it. If we reverse it again you get 44. The element should not be repeated. Next what here? 53. And next reverse it here 62. And again next reverse it here 71. And more 08 is not a 2-digit number, but here we can write as 80. 80 is a 2-digit number. number. These are the 2 digits numbers whose sum of its digits is equal to 8. That is 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. So if we consider again 8 outwards 9, suppose if you take 9 plus 0, 90. So but here 9 plus 0, 9, but here it is sum is what? 8. So this is the last 2 digit number whose sum of its digit is equal to 8. So these are the numbers which are written in the roster form for the given question. So let us move to the third problem. D is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is the divisor of 16. So first of all, here x is defined as prime number as well as it should be the divisor of 16. Divisor you can see are factors of 16. So let us write for factors of 16. 160 is 60. And next again 230 is 60. And next again 320 is 60. Next again 415 is 60. And next again 610 is 60. So here 160s, 230s, 320s, 415s, and again 5. So 512s 60. And next again 610s 60. So these are the factors of 60. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60 are the factors or divisors of 60. In these factors or in these divisors, we have to choose the prime numbers so that they are the divisors of 60. So what are the prime numbers here? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and again 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, 10, 12 these are not prime numbers. So here, what are the prime numbers here? 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers. These are the numbers and also they are the divisors of 60. So the same it is represented with the letter D. So the prime numbers whose divisors of 60 are 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers as well as these are the numbers which are the divisors of 60. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 divisors are there. Among 12 divisors, only there are 3 prime numbers which are the divisors of 60. That's why the answer is 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers as well as these are the divisors of 60. Let us move to the next problem. E is equal to x such that x is an alphabet in word better. So in better, there are how many letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you should not repeat the elements. So B letter, E letter, T letter, and R letter. And here E and T are repeated. You should not write the repeated elements. So you can write E in the roster form as, so here letter B and letter E and letter R, T and E repeated, and next one is what? R. So these are the letters or alphabets which are in the word better. So the roster form of the given set builder form is, that is X is an alphabet in better is, that is what? B, E, T, R, because E and T are once again repeated but the element should not be repeated. So the answer is E is equal to B, E, T, R. Okay children, now we move to the next one. Write the following in the set builder form. Now they have given in the roster form. Now we are converting into the set builder form. Means we have to write the characteristic, or we have to write the property, or we have to write the rule. That is nothing but what the set builder form. Now the questions are given in the roster form. Now we have to convert in the set builder form. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. So how to write in this set A in the set builder form? So 3 1s 3, 3 2s 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s 12. These are the first 4 multiples of 3. So it can be written as x such that x is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3 less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Because 3 1s 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12. These are the 4 multiples of 3. 3 1s 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12. That's why x such that x is defined as x such that x is a multiple of 3 less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Because up to 12 elements. Or you can say x such that x is a multiple of 3. Or you can say first 4 multiples x such that x is the first 4 multiples of 3 also you can write. Or you can write in this way x such that x is a multiple of 3 less than or equal to 12. So this is in the set builder form. It is given in the Rocher form and we are converting in the set builder form. Okay, now next question. B is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So here 2 power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 5, 32. 2 power 1 exponents. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. It can be written as 2 square. 8 is what here? 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 power 8. 16 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 8 to 16, that is equal to 2 power 4. And next again 32. 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, that is equal to 2 power 5. So how to define this means, that is B is equal to x such that or x is defined as x is equal to the formula we can write 2 power n. 2 power n. So 2 power 1, if where n is a natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x such that x is equal to 2 power n. X is equal to 2 power by n, where n belongs to capital N, that is n means here natural numbers. N means here natural numbers less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. So here x such that or x is defined as x is equal to 2 power n, where n is a n belongs to, this is a symbol, Greek symbol, alphabet. So 2 power n belongs to capital N. Capital N is nothing but natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers, where natural numbers are less than or equal to 5. Because if we substitute here natural numbers up to 5, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32. We can write less than or equal to 5, we can write, or else you can write n less than 6. Both are correct here. Less than 6 means up to 5. So 2 power 1 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32. Less than 6 you can write, or else you can write less than or equal to 5. Both are correct here. So x such that or x is defined as x is equal to the formula 2 power n, exponential form. So where n belongs to, this is a lowercase letter, n belongs to capital letter, uppercase letter, where n, capital N is the natural numbers. So n less than or equal to 5. So if you substitute all the 5 natural numbers, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square. 2 square means 4, 2 cube means 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32. So now let's move to the next problem. C is equal to, here the same way, 5 power 1 5, 5 square 25, 5 cube 125, 5 power 4 625. In the same way we can define as x such that x is equal to 5 power n, where n belongs to natural number. Here 4 natural numbers, that is n less than or equal to 4, n less than or equal to 4, or you can say n less than 5 also you can write. So 5 power 1 is 5, 5 square 25, 5 cube 125, 5 power 4 625. 5 power 1 5, 5 power 2 25, 5 cube 125, 5 power 4 625. That's why it is defined as that. It is read also x such that x is equal to 5 power n, where n belongs to lowercase letter, n belongs to uppercase letter capital N, where capital N is the natural numbers. Natural numbers less than or equal to 4 you can write, or n less than 5 also you can write. And we move to the next problem. D is equal to 1 4 9